Welcome to Lackland Air Force Base and Basic Military Training. Lackland Air Force Base is located in the southwest corner of San Antonio, Texas. Lackland Air Force Base is hosted by the 37th Training Wing. Lackland Air Force Base is also known as Joint Base San Antonio. All basic military training, also known as BMT, for the Air Force is conducted at Joint Base San Antonio at Lackland Air Force Base in Texas, known as the Gateway to the Air Force. This military Air Force base trains up to 80,000 U.S. and foreign military students annually. San Antonio International Airport is the nearest airport to Lackland Air Force Base. Most major airlines fly in and out of this airport. It is 17 miles from Lackland Air Force Base. The minute you step off the bus, your journey begins, known as 0 Week. You'll be assigned to a squadron with a military training instructor, known as an MTI, who will guide you and help you succeed during your 7.5-week transformation. Haircuts will promptly be given to all male recruits, and uniforms will be issued for all shortly after arriving at BMT. Air Force basic training is 8.5 weeks long. During BMT and initial job training, all enlisted service members are required to live in the barracks, also known as the dorms or dormitories. Multiple beds are arranged in large rooms for sleeping. Males and females have separate dormitories. All training squadrons have dining facilities called DFAC or the Chow Hall, located in the lower level of their building. 3 meals are provided per day. All recruits are required to be in bed by 9 o'clock p.m. and will rise between 4 and 5 o'clock a.m. every day of the week. You'll have a structured schedule, 30 minutes to wash up and be in formation every morning. Enlisted airmen must be between the ages of 17 and have not yet reached their 42nd birthday. Trainees receive weapons following an initial familiarization course during the first week. From the moment they are issued their M4 rifles, the weapons are by their side nearly every step of the way through the remaining 7 weeks of basic training. BMT salary. A new recruit will be paid entry-level pay approximately $1,599 a month or $19,198 a year at the rank of E1. These are recruits with a high school education. Recruits with a higher education may start with a higher pay and may enter at a higher rank. At the end of BMT, you'll have the privilege of participating in the Airmen's Run, a parade, and graduation ceremony, which is in front of your invited family members and guests. Civilian family members and friends must acquire a pass from the visitor center at the main gate before entering the base. Trainees may request up to 6 passes for adults who do not already have their own military ID or Department of Defense ID. What happens after BMT? After service members complete their training, they'll move on to different schoolhouses depending on their selected skills and job assignments. This additional training and education is called technical school or tech school. I hope this video was very helpful and useful in answering some of your questions of Air Force basic military training at Lackland Air Force Base. sure to click the like button and subscribe. I wish you all the best for your stay at Lackland Air Force Base.